In this student-paced lesson, students become doctors in a medical clinic working to diagnose 3 patients. Each patient is seen in a short video interaction with their doctor, where their symptoms, exam findings, and test results are reviewed. Students will then explore the information in the lesson to help lead them to their diagnosis. Students will then practice their claim evidence reasoning skills. Finally, students will select one of the patients and educate them and/or their family on their diagnosis and potential treatment options using the method of the student's choosing. Students can adjust the number of patients they evaluate based on how quickly they work and how much time they have.